10. So we need 12. So if we can get 3 inches, that would be good. Alright, let's see if we can get. I think that side is good on the left.
I can just go.
Yeah. I think that one is good. Do you need some cable? No. Welcome back. As you can see, we have welded the ladders on to extend the roof, and what we need to do now is to connect this one to this one, and when we bend the sheet, to give the sheet some support. So what I've done is made a template that will fit in between the two square tubes, and we're going to cut 8 pieces of 1/4 inch aluminum and weld this to the structure. And what I've done is, here's one of them. We've used a template to cut it out, and it will sit like this, and it will be welded here and here to support the sheet that gets bended. Now we are transferring it using the template to transfer the layout to the 1/4 inch aluminum and mark where we cut. I'm actually just extending the end pieces a little bit. So we're cutting the round items from the aluminum, and we're using an aluminum blade. The problem is aluminum heats up at such a low melting point that it will actually melt into the little teeth of the blade and block it. So in order to do a continuous cut, what we need to do is we spray water on the blade to cool it down, or you can use DW40. Let me show you.